Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
All right. Okay. Hello there, you guys. I'm back. Looking a little rough, I know. Actually, re-washed my hair and threw in a conditioner last night, and then I just put it in the bun and I went to sleep. So we're waking up and we have this situation going on here. So I wanted to attempt a low bun tutorial for you guys. Just something real quick because I really don't feel like bugging with my hair. So let's see. I'm going to be using Eco-Styler gel, and I'm going to be using my leave-in. So first I'm going to apply my leave-in all over. Okay, so when it comes to creating my ponytails, or whenever I think of doing a slick ponytail, I always work with my hair in sections. My hair was really thick and it is uneven. A lot of my hair is not the same length, so when I go to grab my hair and to create a ponytail, usually I get this weird lump in my head. It's not really smooth. So the thing that works for me is breaking my ponytails down into sections. So what I do is I take a little bit of the front side from the back, like so, and then I just take this and I just clip it away, and then I focus on my back side, or the back portion actually. I'm going to do kind of like a foundation ponytail for my other hair to kind of cling to. So I just take the gel and I just put it along this one area. Then I'm gonna brush everything. Like, I want my ponytail kind of low. I don't want it too high. So I'm gonna bring it kind of low towards the back. I'm gonna take a ponytail holder, like so, and secure it. Usually in my front, I like to make some type of part. So I'm just going to make a quick part real quick. Sometimes I like to have it angle from like an eyebrow to the center. So I'm going to do that real quick. Something like this. Just a little quick part. It doesn't have to be super neat or anything. So I do something like a part like this. So once I get that part, then I'm going to start to actually connect these front parts to my back ponytail. I'm going to take this section and I apply gel, especially to the front part so that it lays down like so. Okay. So I'm going to change my strategy a little bit, and what I'm going to do is I brush this part down and back, and I just undid the ponytail that was there at the foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add that hair into it. I was going to apply another ponytail holder, but I don't want to have 3 ponytail holders in my head, and that's a lot of tension for the hair. Try to get it as smooth as possible. Another ponytail holder. All right. So now we have a ponytail like this, okay? With my little bun in the back. Add some hair to my bun. It's something to give my ponytail a little bit more life, because look at it. It looks all It's not cute right now. Or either. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the hair And I'm just gonna twist it onto my little bun right here. And then I'm going to secure it with bobby pins. A scarf, and I'm going to tie it on my hair for about probably about like 10 minutes or so. Like, this really needs to actually sit for some time, so probably like 10 minutes or so. Okay, you guys, so I'm back with the final results of my hair. So this is what it looks like after having it sit for about probably about like 15 minutes, maybe about 15-20 minutes. Just a really simple, easy bun to get it done. My hair, of course, is curly, and curly hair, it won't get that slick. So that's something, of course, in my journey that I just embrace. I don't drive myself nuts if there's a little bit of curliness here and there, if it's not as slick. That just comes with the texture, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.